come shopping with us at the Dayton Mall.
They have it set up for Santa Claus on the other side of here. So, if you're out and about, bring your kids to the Dayton Mall. I made him go over there. Okay, and now we're going to go into FYE and see what they got.
They move shit around all the time.
Yeah.
Find that pretty shirt way up there, top right.
Yeah. It's actually sitting right there on the top shelf. Over there.
Oh.
Stranger Things, huh?
Yeah.
Well, let's go over here and look at the Stranger Things. Oh. 11. Huh. What would you come to look at? But yeah, they got everything to like DVDs, CDs, all kinds of horror stuff, as you can see back there. Plus they have food from like different states and stuff like that. So it's cool to come check out if you guys haven't been here. What did you find? Oh, it's crispy. Cool.